Did you know that air, despite being unseen, carries aromatic patterns from across the globe? The air at Lake Constance is a perfect example. This remarkable place, amid stunning landscapes, is a hidden paradise. Its secret? A fusion of waters, greenery and location. The breeze naturally purifies, while the surrounding forests provide essential oxygen. Lake Constance, just a visual treat, but also a haven for lungs and spirit. Its healthful air positions it as a rejuvenation spot. It offers a sensory journey that elevates the mood. Come, take a deep breath and immerse in nature's grandeur with us. If you're intrigued, give this post a like.